Hello guys! Happy trekkings to all! Yan. Ngayon po ay i-ready natin ang ating king cake. Okay, start na po natin ang pagluluto ng ating king cake. Hello guys! Christmas is finished! Bye-bye Santa Claus! Hello Three Kings! Let's start to do the cream pâtissière or custard cream. We need 15 grams of corn flour, 5 grams of flour, 25 grams of sugar, vanilla to taste, two eggs, and 1 small glass of whole milk. So, yan po ang ingredients ng custard cream o cream pâtissière. Lagay na po natin yung milk sa casserole. Then, add po natin yung corn flour. Then, yung 5 grams ng flour. $25 grams of sugar. Then mix it well. Add the vanilla. Then the 2 egg yolk. Stir it well. Then wait until it thickens. Now ready na po ang ating custard cream. Now we will prepare the almond cream. We need 100 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of creme, 100 grams of melted butter, 2 eggs, then naglagay rin po ako ng chops of almonds for crunchiness, and then po yung powder almond, 125 grams. So that's the ingredients for the almond cream. Dagdagan din po natin ng vanilla sugar for the taste. So, mix na po natin yung mga ingredients. Yan po, ilagay natin ang almond. Di ko po nilagay lahat kasi 200 grams din yata yan. And then the almond powder. Yan, nilagay ko po lahat. 125 grams of almond powder. $100 grams of sugar. And then the melted butter. Mix all together. So, mag-incorporate po yung mga ingredients niya. And then the egg. Mix po natin ulit. And then put the custard cream together with the almond cream. Now it's ready our filling for the king cake. Yan, bumili lang po ako ng ready-made na pot. Yan po. Yan po, puyete. Yan. Yan, crunchy po siya, saka yung sable. Saka po yan, yung ilalagay natin na peb para sa kung sino po yung makakakuha. Siya po ang king. Now, the crust is ready. So, we will put the cream in the middle. Yeah. Leave 3 cm border, then press the border. Yeah. Spread all the creams on top of the crust. Put the pebbles inside the cream. Then put another crust on top of the prepared one. If you notice guys, I put the fouette on top of the crust. Press the borders so the cream will not sort out. You can use your finger for designing. Or you can use fork. Poke a knife on the middle to make a little hole so it will not explode. And then use the other side of the knife to design. Yeah, we will draw a flower. Yan po, ready na yung design na ating king cake. And now, glaze it with egg white. After na mapahira na po natin lahat, ready na po for baking. Set natin ang ating oven sa 180. And wait for 25 minutes. Now it's ready. Now let's prepare the caramel. Put the water, boil the water, and then add the sugar. Wait until it thickens. Now it's ready our caramel sugar. And then spread on top of the cakes. Now ready na po ang ating king cake. Yes, eto na po. Luto ng ating king cake.
¿Qué onda tu pecho arriba, las manos, caballo moreno, penetra tu barrio, enseño rolas de rock, back frente, blast again, esto